Guys, in this video we will learn how to make a searcher with Python. Now we are importing time module and we are making a function. Inside the book variable we are writing a string. Now we are writing infinitive loop while true. Now we are writing a agreement. If the given data is founded, then our software will print your data is founded. Else our software will print sorry sir, your data is not founded. Our function is completed. Now we are calling the function. Now we have to improve the look of our software. Now we are taking user input. Now we are sending the given data. Let's run our software. Our software is running properly. Let's check it again. We need to give here is to sign. Let's finally run our software. Let's have a look at our software. Thanks for watching our video.